In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a workspace in Framer. Let's get started by opening Framer in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your projects. Once Framer loads, you'll usually land on a page that shows your projects or templates. This is your main dashboard where all your work and folders are organized. Take a second to let everything load fully so all the options appear correctly. Now look towards the top left area of the screen. Here, you should see the current workspace name displayed. This might be a default workspace or one you've already set up. That label is important because it's your entry point for switching between workspaces or creating a new one. Go ahead and click on the workspace name. When you do, a menu or drop-down panel will appear, showing a list of existing workspaces and some management options. Inside that menu, you'll see an option to add a new workspace. Look for the text that says Add Workspace. This is usually placed near the bottom or alongside your current workspaces. Click on Add Workspace. This tells Framer you're ready to set up a completely new space where you can organize projects separately from your existing ones. Workspaces are helpful if you want to keep client work, personal projects, or team experiments neatly separated. After clicking Add Workspace, a small window or panel will open, asking you to enter a name. This name is how you'll recognize the workspace later, so choose something clear and meaningful. For example, you might name it after a client, a product, a team, or a specific purpose like portfolio sites or marketing experiments. Type your chosen name into the field provided. Take a moment to double check the spelling, since this is what you and your collaborators will see in the workspace list. Once you're happy with the name, look for the button that says Create Workspace and click it. Framer will now create your new workspace and automatically switch you into it. You should notice the workspace name at the top left update to the one you just entered. From here, you can start adding new projects, organizing templates, and inviting collaborators all inside this dedicated space. And that's all it takes to add a workspace in Framer.